Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I will be discussing Euro US dollar and today is 2nd of September 2024. This whole week we have and I will try to explain the weekly analysis for the Euro US dollar. So this is a weekly forecast for Euro dollar 2nd September till 6th September 2024. Let's have a look at this Euro US dollar chart, my friends, and if you see at the moment it looks very good. We have multiple highs right here, lows, then highs. I mean to say this market, it has like different peaks at the moment, and at each and every peak we can get plenty of good decision points and profitable trades. So right here, my friends, today I want to first discuss the ABCD pattern, how to identify it. And I think this Euro US dollar daily time frame at the moment is a very perfect example which I can explain. And after the explanation and understanding of this whole story, I am sure you will be able to understand the current market. I also will be discussing this current market on the H4 at the second part of the video. So let's first discuss this impulsive wave right here, and as you can see we have a very fantastic impulsive wave right here. So this impulsive wave is followed by a 61.8% retracement, as you can see right here, and is obviously going back up. So what I want to say is that this market currently is on a bullish trend right here we have. And where is that bullish trend and when that started? Let's have a look at that as well. So this is the bullish trend that started on the Euro US dollar, and this is obviously the daily time frame. But obviously we also cannot ignore the importance of the weekly time frame. And if we see on the weekly, right here we have a very fantastic resistance. And I think till now so far that the market has been bounced off from this resistance level. So it makes this euro dollar a little bit of complex at the present moment, and it also, no doubt, it is very near to this resistance zone, but it shows tendency that it can further go up and even break this particular zone. But remember, if it that happens and if market closes above this particular range of 1.1211 and 1.12206, you can see my mouse right here. All right, so what's next after that? Obviously right here we can see on this particular weekly time frame, if you see, very fantastic resistance zone this is, and if I show you, it should look something like this. Let me change these properties a little bit so that we can clearly see them on the chart. So see, like on the weekly time frame, what we see at the moment is that it has been last week rejected from the previous resistance zone. So this is very technical, and in order to understand this, we definitely have to understand this daily time frame. So right here, if you see this good looking chart, and I already have explained it a little bit. This whole area right here, from where this trend line started, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and obviously there I will be running the ABCD pattern a little bit further. So as you can see, what we have seen right here is followed by a very nice and fantastic retracement level, and now it can potentially do that. And if I exactly talk about this number, it is around 1.12797. So I definitely will like to add one line right here as well of different color so that you guys can understand it very nicely. So let's add blue, and right here, this blue area you see. So let me also make it blue, and now you should easily be able to see this 1.12670 area. So my friends, whenever any trader who want to take good decisions, they have to understand the chart. And what I am doing right here is I'm just explaining this blue trend that we have all the way from right here. See, a very fantastic trend. Now there are several peaks, and obviously all of them I cannot explain, but the importance of them at every one of the high we have seen is traders made good profit on it. See, a very fantastic head and shoulder pattern right here, and the market dropped this much. It is around 378 pips of profit. Now since this whole is bullish, and there the market just bounced off from a resistance, but the resistance, the actual zone was 1.12811. So what we can do right now is study this pattern. It is a proper and a nice one pattern we have. And let's zoom the chart a little bit. So this way, when we read these previous structures, like I read this previous structure, so on the basis of this reading, what I can do is I can easily spot this bullish rally that continued to the 1.12206, and this whole bullish I have explained in my almost all of my weekly forecasts. So this trend started on 3rd of October 2023. 1 year worth of trend we have. Now what's next? Market gained bullish momentum right here. A lot of demand zone this was. Why it was a demand zone? There was a Fibonacci number. So the market obviously continued and it reached up there. Now we have seen an ABCD pattern completion right here to the top side of the market, which was again very nice, and see, even the sellers made good profit. Remember my friends, remember one thing forever and ever. If you are a seller, you still make money, and if you are a buyer, you still make money. Those lose who enter into these rallies without understanding them. So if you don't understand the trend and the system that is going on in the market, the chances are you may end up taking very bad trading decisions. So just have a look at this ABCD pattern. This is the bigger one and this is the smaller one. What's next after that is, most of you will know, is that market not only completed this bullish stuff right here, but we have got a support. So if we have got a support, what the market did is it took a retest. Now as per the strategy, so when it was broken, this level was broken, retested, and as per the plan and the forex rules, it should continue to the top side of the market. Those buyers who entered right here, they had in mind this much of stop loss, around 155 pips, and a take profit of 366 pips. And those traders are most probably, some of them are holding it. I cannot say anything about it, but those who understand the trading very nicely, they are still holding it. Now what's next? Right here, a support was established. So when a support was established, just go to the H4 and just have a look at it. Where was that support established? That support was right here. Just understand this particular plan. And from right here, we have got some consolidation area. And if we see at the moment, market is standing at approximately 50 retracement level right here. And if we say, and if we take it from right here, it will be 61.8% retracement. So if I take it from right here, which is also good, because obviously some false consolidation going on right here, and the actual H4 impulsive wave is now right this. So let me change its color and its size. Now you should be able to see it even more clearly. And now I am at my exact point which I want to explain. And that is the current market. So obviously the current market is stopped near 61.8% retracement, and as per the ABCD pattern, it has to complete where? It has to complete exactly at 1.13080. Now what is this where 1.130, this level? This is the previous resistance high we have, and this high was established on 18th of July 2023. 18th July. So 1 year ago market was right here, and 1 year ago it started to drop. So I hope, my friends, you will have now a clear understanding of the market. This is on the H4, and still those traders who are on this particular plan, who are keep making profits right here, right here, they are aiming for further up move of 266 pips. Why? Because these traders understand the plans very nicely. Now on the very lower time frames, and even if I discuss this daily time frame at this particular moment, there is one drawback of it, and that is those traders who are buying at this particular level is having a take profit of 250 pips and a stop loss of 190 pips. So well, I don't think so it is a very fair deal, and I will say if it drops till 1.09017, then with a stop loss of around 158 pips, it can give us good profits. So this is the technicals going on the daily H4, and even the lower time frames. If I go to the H1, I can for sure show you that tomorrow, till tomorrow, it can try to go back up towards this level, this today's level right here. So this is the present image of the market, and obviously the long term image, and that is right here we have. This is going up, market has been rejected from a resistance. If it breaks below, there are other trade opportunities as well. But for now, I hope you guys would have a clear understanding of what's going on the euro US dollar. And remember, my friends, those who don't work with this method of support and resistance can easily take very bad trading decisions. So I highly recommend everyone to first find a trend line. I have a video on trend as well. And then also have some understanding of the breakout retests of the, like, remember everyone, these peaks you see, this is a peak for me, peak, the highest point. So it has a story in itself, right? So similarly, we can see a peak right here from where the market will be bouncing. This is a bit short term, and long term it is still approaching 1.12811. But when will we know that this is not going to approach 1.12811? Once it breaks this trend line. But till now, so far, the time will be gone, so we will not be able to trade it there. So on this H4, it is presently showing this bullish wave, and I don't think so it will be hard for you to identify, even if you are a day trader. If you have strict rules and if you have set targets, then yes, this 97 98 pips, it can clearly move towards the top tomorrow. And personally, if I was to trade this, I would put 35 36 pips of stop loss and around 76 pips of take profit on this one. So this is the euro US dollar. Let's see, I will be discussing it further with all of you. I want to share more knowledge with you. Anyone who wants to join the premium sessions, who have trouble understanding the markets and its algorithm, who cannot work on their emotions, do contact me on the WhatsApp. It is given in the description below, and I'm sure enough I will be able to guide you better. So yes, this is it for now. I will see you tomorrow with this same plan, and I will continue from here where the market will be. So yes, if it breaks below, then this bullish wave we are expecting, it will not be there. So bulls will only lose this 32 pips, and upon retest it can become a sell point. I might be interested in it or not, but I try to from one setup I always try to earn more and try to take a very small risk, right, my friends? So I hope you will learn more, you have learned more technicals today, and if I get enough feedback, I definitely will continue uploading these videos. uh, Take care everyone. I hope you guys make lots and lots of profit. Keep me in your prayers. See you next time. Goodbye.